Don't call yourself Jagaban of Lagos again. El-Rufai blasts Tinubu after he returned back to Nigeria. As somebody once said, that Nigeria should have a YouTube channel as show does not stop to occur. Wow, what a funny word. Show does not stop to occur in Nigeria. For every day, we see things every time. Politics issues in Nigeria is only a game. Even after many individuals have passed on in Lekki massacre, this government officials could at present do is to begin going to social media to impact one another. El-Rufai blasts Tinubu isn't a storm because Tinubu merits it earnestly. He left his skin in Lagos State at serious risks and don't return until numerous people lost their lives during protests in Lekki Toll Gate. It's 1 week now that the unfortunate happening happened around evening time in Lekki Toll Gate. El-Rufai blasts Tinubu for something unacceptable he did in spite of the fact that he deserved it. Yet, for somebody like him, who is likewise almost there, completes a massive building in his state even as the protest is going on. Tinubu is supposedly renounced the report about devastating his property at Lekki Toll Gate. As he said, he has no property at the Business Avenue. Being the Jagaban of Lagos State, he called himself, or perhaps what people do connect him with, he has a real sense of neglect to help his people, and it would have been exceptional if another politician blasts him as opposed to El-Rufai. Senator Dino Melaye may presumably be the perfect person to do that, as he previously made his arrangements noticeable to the youth that he is on the side of what they have been doing. Wow, this is what we have these days. Politicians are now against themselves. They are now rising up, raising abuses on each other, all in the name of the ongoing EndSARS protests that is going on in the country. This is the turn of El-Rufai to attack somebody, and the person he could attack is Tinubu. He has attacked Tinubu, saying that he should stop calling himself the Jagaban of Lagos. He said, "You are no longer the Jagaban of Lagos," as he used to call himself, or as people used to call him. He said after he returned back to Nigeria from wherever he went to, that was when El-Rufai blasted him and said, "Don't call yourself Jagaban of Lagos again. Do you know the meaning of Jagaban? Jagaban may mean many things. To some people, it can be, a man of war. It can be a fearless man. It can be somebody that has power. It can be somebody that can face challenges." It is quite unfortunate that they are against each other, but you can take it this way, that before the next election or before another sitting, they can't, be friends again. They can start saying good things about themselves again. That is politics for you. It is just a game. They can be enemies today, and tomorrow they turn out to be friends. So we cannot judge or justify that they are really fighting or having issues with what is going on in the country. Well, anybody who was at the scene of that massacre at the Lekki Toll Gate will still be having, the sense, the feelings of the death of people in on that incident, and even those that were not present at the scene also have same feelings, where people were murdered, were killed with gunshots, and some injured. Many things that happened on that day. Well, some were still saying that Governor Sanwo-Olu said there was no blood stain at the Lekki Toll Gate NSAS protest. Well, be that as it may, whether blood stain or not, people who died are, somebody's children. They are somebody's brothers. They are somebody's sisters. They are somebody's wife or husband. That is what everyone should know. Everyone in power, that is what you are supposed to know. You shouldn't say there's nothing that happened at that Toll Gate. Even if one person lies, how can many people lie like that? Videos have been seen, so many things. And look at this man who calls himself Jagaban of Lagos. Traveled, and he's still claiming that he did not travel, even when there was evidences that he left the country. How can he leave the country? He has a vision. He has intention of going for presidency, for the post of presidency come 2023. Now tell me, how does he want to achieve that? Well, it is politics. He can still come up to say he wants to be the president as well, but we will still see how he will achieve that amidst what has happened. They say that El-Rufai is not supposed to be the one to insult him or to tell him not to call himself Jagaban. The best person that can say that is Dino Melaye, who always antagonize all these his colleagues. He's always an antagonist. He's always attacking them. He said he belongs to the youth and that he has the youth has his full support. He's always with them. Well, let's see people's opinion. This one said that he does not have any moral right to insult Tinubu. Where was he when it was happening? Was he in Kaduna? El-Rufai is just an hypocrite, or because of 2023 that he may not see you that hide COVID-19 palliative until people discovered they packed and packed it. Wow. People discover palliatives in different parts of the country and they packed it. What do you expect? This one said Tinubu remained the Jagaban of Lagos. El-Rufai can hug transformer. 2023 is a goal. Wow. Just when somebody said he should stop calling himself Jagaban of Lagos, this one's assisting him that Tinubu remains the Jagaban of Lagos. Well, you have your reasons for saying that. We'll still want to know more about what you mean by saying and supporting that Tinubu remains the Jagaban for whatever may have happened. This one said, all of you are praising Tinubu. This is the reason why Nigeria is in trouble today. You praise sinners, you should be ashamed of yourself. Well, you said that they should stop praising Tinubu. That is why there is trouble in Nigeria today. Well, even if many people were still against him, you see many that for Tinubu. Some are still for him, while some may still be against him and saying that he's a sinner. No one can judge anyone. Leave this judgment to God. Leave judgment to God for him to judge him according to what he did. This one said, why should Tinubu call himself Jagaban of Lagos? El-Rufai, are you not an Hausa man? What does Jagaban means in Hausa than leader? Wow, it is not a position. requiring formal installation. Once you fulfill the qualities and attributes of a leader, you are a leader. Nobody can take it away from Tinubu that he is the born leader, and therefore Shugaba or Jagaban and at the end of the Jagaba just means of, well, take or leave it. Tinubu is Jagaban of Bogu, and if Lagos former appointment, well, you know what you mean by saying is still the Jagaban. Where is a leader is a born leader, whether born or not born leader. Let's know how you feel about this news story. Thank you for listening, and I will see you on the other news. Bye for now.